Connor, this is awesome. Awesome start. Your sliders, if I just go down my checklist, your sliders are all working the way they're supposed to. Your rule has been typed in correctly and it's being displayed correctly over here as well, so that's all good. Your vertex is perfect. That's good. It's always in the right place. Your domain. Okay, so right now when b is positive, the domain starts at h and goes to infinity. I'm going to see if that's still true, if that still works when a is negative. And it is. Now what about when b is negative? Is your domain, yes, negative infinity till -7. And okay, so I've looked at all possible combinations of a and b, both positive, one negative, both negative, and then one positive, one negative. So your domain's all good. I'd suggest you do that same systematic checking for the range. Is the range always correct? Certainly right now it is correct. I'm not sure it always is though. The display of the vertex ordered pair, that's gorgeous. And your rule up here, the display of your rule is fine. I just want to show you something because I find this square root notation just looks really awkward. I mean, I get it, it's all correct. You know, it's the square root of whatever's in the brackets here. I just want to show you how to make it look even nicer. I'll just show you how to make a square root look nicer. If you use this LaTeX formula thing here, if you check on this, and then go down to roots and fractions and select that. Up here it generates what's called LaTeX code so that your square root now looks like this. And what's nice is if I just type other stuff in between the brackets up here, like if I wanted to put, for example, x minus h, that looks a little nicer because now the square root extends over it and then you don't have to put any of those brackets. And then if I move my cursor outside, I can put plus k. You know, that looks pretty nice. And of course, if you wanted to put an a in front here, no problem. You know, like I say, always check down here to make sure that it looks the way it's supposed to. There's other stuff you could put in here, like for example, you'd want to put in the b. So, I mean, the way you've got it here is fine. I'm just giving you that little extra tip. Otherwise, so far so good. Keep going.